Good morning, everyone. Good morning, internet. So today is 3rd of November, and right now it's morning 9 o'clock. And you have seen me just I have cleaned my riding shoes. So we came back from Nepal trip on 22nd of October. So it took me 11 days to realize that my riding shoes are dirty, and today it's Monday, and I have cleaned them. They are now pretty cleaned, but they are in wet condition. So I have put them under sun. I have left them to dry. Maybe it will take maximum 1 hour to get dried up, and after that I will apply some coconut oil on the leather part of this boot and on the zippers. So that's how I'm going to take care of my riding shoe. And this is the shoe from Agra Shoe Mart, and this is for my pillion. This is a very good shoe, and providing decent comfort, and it does not get wet inside in rain also. So it has got good waterproofing, and these boots you can see are from Orazo. You see this logo. So these are complete waterproof shoes actually. So you can check this Orazo IBIS or IBIS, whatever you can say, and this is waterproof. These shoes are the most expensive shoes from Orazo. It costed me around 10,000 bucks, 9,999 to be exact. And after buying the shoes, I have done my Jharkhand ride in heavy rain. I have done Nepal ride. I have done multiple water crossings, and not a single drop of water went in. In terms of waterproofing, it is good. It has got good steel toe protection out here, and it is it has got some amount of TPU protection on the shin part as well. So yeah, these are good boots, but see, this is the thing I want to show you. After 3-4 months of use, you know the stitches are coming off. I have spent my hard earned money on these shoes. 10,000 bucks is not a joke, man. Okay, in terms of waterproofing, in terms of safety, okay, no problem with that. But why these stitches will come up? What I can say, these are poor finishing. Or they can improve their finishing. I'm a freaking lazy ass, so it took me 11 days to realize that my boots are dirty, and I have cleaned them. So you can see they are pretty much dried up. Yeah, they are dried enough to apply some coconut oil on the leather parts, not on the mesh part or on the cloth. Just apply them on the leather parts and on the zippers. So I will take few drops here, and I will just give a simple polish like this. You can put 2-3 drops on your shoes, on your boots. Just gently give a polish. And now apply a few drops of coconut oil on the zippers as well. And just run these zippers for quite a few times and leave them to dry. So now let me do the same with the other one as well. So one thing with these shoes on, uh, I have climbed 350 stairs towards Muktinath temple. I did not feel any kind of discomfort. It was pretty comfortable while trekking towards Muktinath temple. If you have visited Muktinath temple, you should know that there are 350 stairs to climb to reach towards Muktinath temple. And I climbed those 350 stairs with these boots on, so it was pretty comfortable. It did not feel like that you are wearing a riding shoe and you cannot trek or you cannot walk. After we reached Mana, we hiked towards Gangapurna Lake. I do not have any comfort issue with these boots, but quality issues are there, so you should think twice before buying Orazo. Waterproofing is good, comfort is good, but quality of the finishing, that is under question. So now let me apply a few drops of coconut oil on the zippers as well, and just run them for 3-4 times. Okay, Now I will leave them for 2-3 hours, so it will be ready for our next ride. This is one more thing I would like to show you. Just check this out. This is the gear shifter part, right? This is the left toe. This is degrading. Check the right foot. Clearly difference is there. So yes, what I can say is after 3-4 months of use, I am not that satisfied with Orazo. If you buy Orazo, I would rather suggest you go for Orazo Trail, not IBIS.